Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Save 30 to 60% off at the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hi Colorado, this is Cleat Crocker. I'm here again at Appliance Factory. I just found out about a closeout deal that you want to get in front of. This is one of GE's high-end appliances, high-end washer and dryer in their diamond gray setting color. And what I want to tell you is these things have just dropped in price. There's not a whole lot of them left, so it's something you really want to get on top of. But the set is now selling from $12.99, and it was $20.99. So it's a huge savings. It's an $800 savings on this group. Basically, the washer is $649, the dryer is $649, and together they're $12.99. So the main thing is it's limited. You want to get in quickly, but really this is a review to let you know what I like about these things. These model numbers are GTW 750 CP LDG and GTD 75 ECP LDG. So that model also comes with a derivative in the washer, and that is the GTW 755 GPMDG. So the difference between the two washers that I just mentioned, they both look the same, but one has an agitator in it. So if you're more comfortable washing your clothes with an agitator, then you can do that model, the GTW 755. Or if you would like the newer impeller models, the ones that do not need an agitator, then that's the GTW 750. So what's great about these things is this is a 5 cubic foot washer inside there. It's huge, and if you don't have the agitator model, which is something I'd recommend, you get a lot more things in there. Like you can do comforters in there, things that you wouldn't be able to do necessarily when the agitator's in the way. But whatever your comfort level is, we have a few of these left in both models. So what's unique about this? Well, you know how when you put soap in your washer, and you usually just put a little bit in, or you have a little thing back here you pull out and you put a little bit in. Well, this one takes a lot. This one manages it for you. So all you do is you open this thing up here, this big dispense here, and you pour in 75 ounces of soap, and you just fill it up to that line, and it will automatically dispense the soap, and you don't have to worry about it. That saves you a lot of trouble in dealing and managing with your detergent. So it takes the normal bleach and the normal conditioner like all the rest of the washers, but this one has its own soap dispense that will take care of all that for you. It is high efficiency, so you do use high efficiency soap. The other thing is it's got a little water station back here. So this is an area where you can pre-wash the clothes, put your clothes in there and wash them out before you put it in there. So that's also unusual in a washer. The other piece is this is a deep fill. So if you don't want to use a high efficiency standards, which use very little water, you could actually control your water fill with these controls right here, and it will just get as deep as you tell it to get. And again, whatever your comfort level is on that. So the other piece on this that I think is really important is this high efficiency washer also has its own sanitary cycle. It says sanitize up there. What that means is you've got a built-in water heater, and it kills 99.9% of germs. So that's a big deal, especially in today's climate where we're dealing with viruses. This is something that you want to do. Now, when it does that, the way it does that is it gets your water temperature up over 150 degrees, which will kill bacteria, and it leaves it at that temperature for just the right amount of time, no more, so that it will actually kill the germs. So this is actually a good, safe unit. And in its matching dryer, it does the same thing. It's got a sanitary cycle there, again, which deals with time and temperature to allow it to kill any germs in there, 99.9%. But the other thing I really like about it is it's got a steam setting on there. Now inside there's a huge dryer. It's enough to handle whatever comes in the washer. So whatever you can cram in there, it'll fit in here. And the steam cycle will actually help take the wrinkles away. So if you think about that, let's say that you went out shopping at Appliance Factory and you came back and your laundry's already dry, but because it's sitting there, it's wrinkled. Well, all you do is put it on its steam setting, and it'll take about 15-20 minutes, and it will shake out the wrinkles just as if you'd been there when it first started. for stuff. So it's actually a really nice high-end set, and I totally recommend it. And at $12.99, it's a killer deal.